Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, man.
Coach used to always tell us, when you look good, you play good. I feel like it's my time. Young nigga been putting in work, so I feel it's only right I shine. Niggas lame as fuck, they ain't authentic, I won't get specific. Look what happened when you do you, bro, this shit prolific. Nah, this shit amazing. Money speed racing. Fill my pockets so high with them dead Caucasian. Every song I drop, I gotta make a statement. This ain't for me no more, this is for my baby. Hollywood fantasy, drop top in the black Mercedes. Break her back, I go deep like I'm Tom Brady. Money speed race, money speed racing.
What's good with y'all, gang? In the cup, back with another ganger. Back. We here, man.
It's us. We here. We live. In action.
For another
in
video.
In the cut. Here. What's up? Love y'all. You not liking? Like it. Stop chirping. Turn your post notifications on. Dang. Subscribe. How you gonna like it and turn your post notifications on? And I'll be subscribed, bro. Dang. Only taking you 30 seconds.
Factual. You know what I'm saying? All factual information. That's all I heard. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all go get see the merch. 2 Positive Vibes apparel. It's spelled out clearly. You can see it in the camera. Because it's clean. And it's nice. And it's comfy. I'm telling you, I like wearing these type of shirts. You feel me? Because it's like, it's not heavy. It's not one of them heavy black ones. You know what I'm saying? You know me. You know my body. You know what I'm saying? You know me. You know my face. How I look at my face. And guess what I say? I look good.
I like to cha-cha.
I look good. Finally. We didn't hear no words. Cricket. Finally. No haterism. It's all positive vibes, guys. We look good. If you said it with me, you look good. If you didn't say it, we obviously know what that means.
Don't look good.
You don't. Because you didn't say it. And at the end of the day, you got to live with that.
Wow.
And that's something that, I mean, hey.
I don't know
it
how
is what
I
it is.
I don't know how I ever regained from this.
Yeah, that's tough for you. I feel bad for you, low-key. Not really. But yeah, I do. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Anyways, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit the social medias too. Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Triller. All according to Keyon. Snapchat, KJ Swag. You know what I'm saying? But today, bruh, we here with Girlhefunny. The gang over there, you feel me? The chits over there, you know what I'm saying? They bangers, bruh. Bangers. We can't stop watching them.
Honestly, they be having so much time on their hands.
Facts. It's weird.
They can't not be funny.
Exactly. And then today they want that we see a video that's how California guys talk. And I'm like, okay, interesting. What do you mean? Have
you ever had a dream that you want him to...
I looked at a little 3 seconds of it. I can't explain what we're about to watch. We just gotta watch. That's basically where we're at with the situation. Alright, y'all. So without further ado, and no more negotiating. Let's get into that. Girlhefunnyaf44.
How California guys talk.
Interesting.
Dude, you tripping? I ain't gonna play for the Dolphins. Hey, homie. On Mama's, I just bought a brand new ball. Nah, but LeBron, dude, you tripping? I ain't gonna play for the Dolphins. Hey, homie. On Mama's, I just bought a brand new bar, cuz. You bought a bar? What, you bought a bar? Yo, where the OG Cheeto? I just bought a brand new bar. Okay.
Check it out. I'm the dad, huh?
I ain't never met nobody like this in California.
You like it?
You got?
Probably.
I haven't.
Jeez. Where's that? Where's that? Right here, homie.
Right here.
That's a car, bro. Do respect, homie. Respect my crippin', bud.
What?
She's buzz. I don't do no drowsing, homie. On mamas, I got hella tree from the bay, homie. I'm talking heck of weed, hell of them. On the dad logs, homie.
Bro, why you got that out
probably
here?
do
You know you
sound
got
like
a Cali, right?
Yeah. You talking like a buster, homie. Like you police,
like a
like
bust?
you 12, homie.
Plus,
I'm not tough, but like that's how I like my girls. Why you never dated a cop, police officer, military, none of that?
Hey, your daughter just turned 4, right, homie?
Nah, she just turned 5.
Oh. 5-0, mark that.
Wait,
what the heck?
Stupid shit, homie.
Bro, is it that serious?
On top, on the dead lows, homie.
On the dead low.
This one for OG Tito. Love you, homie.
Shout out Tito.
This one for the OG Toe T. Love you, homie. This one for the OG TikTok.
Okay. Have you been in LA long enough to see people like this?
LA.
I'm thinking they this near LA.
LA, no, but I definitely know people who act like this.
In the Bay.
In the Bay, yes, that are just so
Really?
obsessed that, like, bro, these are the type of people that live in the Bay, and their whole, like, identity is the fact that they live in the Bay. Like, they have to make it, like, on everything. They put it on their car. They get a freaking
Bay Area.
Golden State tattoo.
Yeah, area.
So crazy.
Hey, I represent. You feel me? I ain't in the Bay right now. Or I might be, cause I be everywhere. I do. Technically, I do live in the Bay. Stop tip.
I watch you, homie. This one for the OG. Love you, OG.
Okay, that better be some cranberry, cause you ain't just racing the hand off.
5-0. No, nigga, first when niggas was 12, homie. I'm gonna push your noodles back, you know what I mean?
Yo, noodles is crazy. He said, I'm a
I
bell.
was at the club, homie.
The blub.
The club, homie. Respect my crippin', cuz. So I see this little scooter.
Respect my
She was a
crippin'.
bop. You smell me? So I'm like, let me go up to her. So she turned around and she started talking and her breath was stink. So I'm like, ooh. But she was like, you wanna dance?
Huh?
Not the lanyard. I just noticed that.
Oh yeah, he love his lanyard. He having it every. It be different ones. He love his lanyards. I don't know why, but he love his
I would
lanyard.
collect lanyards. Lanyards were fire. They
Yeah,
used to
but
be-
I ain't wearing them around my neck like that. You feel
Nah,
me?
I had to wear them
Unless
on
I'm
my
a coach or something.
I like that.
And I'm like, yeah, alright. I'm like, yeah, alright, man. Play that E40 for me. Play that E40 for
40.
me. Come on. I wanna see you dance. Cruising down the street in my city.
Hold on. He said play that 40. I feel disrespected because I heard blue.
And plays Blueface.
And then he starts singing, making my way down there, walking fast, face on
Down the street in my six
Cause I miss you, and I need you, and now I wonder if I could fly into the sky. Was
Let's go. Jacking the bitches, beating the hoe. Let me show you how to steal a car.
That's okay. This is disrespectful. He doing
Let me show you
so
how to steal a
much.
car, homie. Get out of my car, homie. It's my car now.
For some reason, I feel violated to a certain extent.
He's violating.
'Cause it's not
Because
even-
he is. You feel violated because he's violating. If this is what y'all think of us,
It's really a FU.
go outside, dig yourself a hole, and crawl in it.
Cause that's not it.
That is not it.
It's not us.
That's not
I'll
it.
make a video how
Only-
California guys
I'm a
talk.
mama.
If you really want to see how we act.
Honestly, bro, but that's just a slang, and he be acting like it's not concentrated.
Yeah, he'd be forcing it,
Fact.
putting that 20 on that 10.
Yeah.
Down.
This is not. We do not play GTA.
Since you keep bringing up 5-0, homie, just like 50, you gonna get these bullets sent at you. You know what I mean? Like this girl wanna do 69 with me for a couple blue faces, so her boyfriend got whacked 100 times. He's just a civilian though.
He's just a civilian now. What that mean? Like what the...
Wow, that was a lot for my brain.
What the heck? Listen, y'all. I appreciate Girl You Funny in it, but they missed with this one. What you think?
I'm scared, honestly.
I see what you hit or miss.
Hit.
I say it's a miss because I feel violated my damn self.
It's a hit though, cause it's entertaining. Like if I wasn't on the receiving end of the joke, then I'd probably like it better.
But still, he violating it ain't facts. Let me do a video on y'all chat. Nah, y'all Florida jits. Hey, that might get flagged. Let me tell you, it's no beef. It's no beef. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Girl You Funny. They put out another video. We got different opinions because us California guys, it's different. You know what I'm saying? It's simple as that.
Simple as that.
Y'all make sure comment below how y'all feel about this video. If you're from Cali, which most of my audience, our audience should be from Cali, y'all let us know if this how California guys talk. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let us know below. Y'all like the video. If you ain't subscribed and you been here before, what are you doing? If you new, you'll enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all get the merch. Positive vibes, apparel. And we gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. We've been grinding.
Put that work in. They got to catch up, cause I'm too fast like you say. Don't put me in no one-on-one, get cooked up. Well done, came up out that low pond, but now I'm swimming with the big fish. Don't make this for no dummy, gotta be a genius just to get this. I'm in my own lane, never thought about swerving. Don't talk about it, better be about it, nigga, put that work in. R.I.P. Kobe, tryna be a GOAT just like him. That boy thought that